Unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means people from different backgrounds, cultures, religions, and languages living together in harmony. In our country, people are unique in many ways, yet we come together as one community. This makes life richer as we learn from each other's traditions, foods, and musics and stories. Even though we may look or speak differently, we share the same hopes, dreams, and values. Unity and diversity teaches us to respect and celebrate each other's differences.